Hey, good evening. It's Brett at Fadley's Automasters here in York, PA. And I want to talk to you today about your vehicle's air filter and the cabin filter. And as you can see here, this air filter and this cabin filter both were dirty and needed to be replaced. And unlike the Taylor Swift song, Shake It Off, you cannot just clean these filters and expect performance back. They need to be replaced. The engine's air filter is to clean the air coming into the engine, and over time these can get dirty, and once the filter is dirty it can no longer perform the job and clean the air, which in turn means the dirt can get by the filter and can cause some effects on the mass airflow sensor, and it may rob your vehicle of performance. A dirty air filter to your engine would be like trying to run a half marathon or a 5K with a mask over your mouth and nose. The cabin filter, on the other hand, works similar to the air filter, but it cleans the air coming into the passenger area. These are supposed to clean the dust, pollen, and other pollutants that are in the air. And again, once these filters get dirty, they're not able to filter the air and may restrict some airflow coming out of your vents. Now, not all vehicles are equipped with a cabin filter, so you may have to consult with your certified professional or refer to your owner's manual. Here at Fadley's, our ASC certified mechanics inspect these filters for you, and we'll let you know if they need replaced. If you're unsure how to check them, contact us and let us know. One of our service professionals will help you out. You can look us up online at www.automasters.com, or you can check us out on Facebook, and also you can give us a call. 717-792-1596. I hope this helps you out and maybe you learn a little bit about your engine's air filter and cabin filter. Until next time, Brett at Fadley's.